not fighting you, I'm not insulting you. I love this country as much as you do. You loved it, that's why you fought for it. And when you fought for this country's liberation, you were not happy with what was happening in the country. As of now, we are the generation that has the right to decide where this country should go. You can call me a boy, but most of you were much younger than I am today when you went to war. Some of you went to war when you were 15 years, 16 years of age. I am 36 now. I am much, much older than how and when you went to war yourself. When you were 16, you were little children, but you were reasoning enough to decide what was good for you and for the future of the country. Why do you think I must be at your age now for me to have a say in the affairs of this country? That is wrong, and that is unacceptable. It's unacceptable. The future of this country is no longer in your hands, comrades. The future of this country is in the under 40s. I'm not insulting you, I'm merely stating a fact. You are never going to remain with a voice of deciding or to decide what happens for Zimbabwe to go forward. It is now time for the youths to decide what happens and where the nation should go. Your ideas are too old for this generation. How can you say pasi nemunhu ari kutaura kuti corruption yakashata? How can you say pasi nemunhu akadaro? I want to ask you, comrades, do you think by threatening to kill me, you are going to lure me to support ZANU-PF? If you want me to support you, sell me your ideology. Convince me to believe or to follow, to identify to the ZANU-PF ideology. Right now, I don't. And I would